Great choice today with the 2018 BMW 4 Series. The BMW 4 Series is a powerful machine, which comes with impressive handling, upscale interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, stability control, backup camera, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.